Welcome to the Shapiro Library video on using Academic Writer, APA's one-stop shop for citing and writing papers in APA style. In this video, we will focus on the Learning Center. Academic Writer is composed of 3 integrated centers or tools. The Learning Center provides interactive quick guides linked to the APA manual section itself, along with sample papers, tables, and figures, as well as tutorials with built-in knowledge checks to help you master the guidelines of APA style. The Learning Center contains lessons on citation, plagiarism, source types, grammar, and more. Go to My Lesson shows all the lessons, quick guides, and tutorials you have started. You may export certificates only for completed lessons with 100% progress. You can browse lessons and samples to find new lessons to start and choose a quick guide or a tutorial. The Browse Lessons and Samples. Use this page to browse lessons like quick guides and tutorials and samples. Within the sample references, you can filter to specific examples you are interested in, such as journal article or a government webpage. The Learning Center equips you with a strong foundation in understanding academic research and writing. The lessons and samples in the Learning Center empower you to learn and think critically, collaborate effectively, and compose citations and research papers with confidence. This concludes our brief overview of Academic Writer's Learning Center. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, please reach out to the Shapiro Library team.